Hello kids, welcome to you in Kids and Color. Let's draw together a beautiful frock today. First, I'm drawing the outline of the frock. Let's draw with me. This is the outline of the dress, outline of the frock. This is a beautiful heart. Let's draw a beautiful heart. Now draw the down part of the frock. This is the down part of the frock. We are making so many frills. So the outline of the dress is ready. Now let's color it together. First we will fill red color in the heart, a beautiful red color. A red heart. Here also we will fill red color. Beautiful pink color. Pink color. Let's fill the beautiful color in the frill of the frock. You can fill the color of your choice. This is purple. Now the pink color. Is a shade of blue. Yellow color. Green color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Now the dark blue color. So the dress is ready. See, our frock is ready. Our dress is ready. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.